On today's menu, an incredible soup that really puts the yum in tom yum. Easy tom yum soup.
Lei Homa everyone, I'm Will Young. It's finally here, the first ever vegan ramen cookbook. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This has been about a year in the making and it's finally here. If you'd like to learn more about the book or about the project, you can visit my website at willyoung.com in the link above or in the description box below. Tom yum soup is one of my absolute favorites. It's not only amazing during the winter months, but it's also extremely easy to make. To start off with just peeling the outer layer of that amazing lemongrass and just use the back of the knife. And that basically just releases all that incredible aroma.
Slice the lemongrass in half and set aside. 1 medium piece galangal. 6 kafir lime leaves.
If you like it really fiery, add some red Thai chilies. If not, just leave them out.
Fill a stock pot with 3 liters of water. Galangal and lemongrass, lime leaves, and chili. Add the bottom half of the green onion to the stock. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Let the stock cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the solid ingredients. 1 red pepper, roughly chopped. One green pepper, roughly chopped. Peppers. A generous handful of mushrooms. Half red onion, roughly chopped. One tomato, roughly chopped. One can baby corn. 3 tablespoons red chili paste. 1/2 tablespoon pink salt. 2 tablespoons cane sugar.
This is the incredible tamarind paste I made in a previous episode.
2 tablespoons tamarind paste. Juice from 1 lime. Half cup canned coconut milk. Stir. Garnish with fresh green onions. You can now make this incredible tom yum soup with absolute confidence.
It's no wonder tom yum soup is one of the most popular dishes ever because it's just packed with flavor. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.